Hello everyone and welcome back for this tutorial. Today we are going to make two beautiful coasters with dot mandala. So let's see what's inside the kit. Here you will get one sponge, three mandala tools, some chalk paints and two bases for your artwork and one stencil. First up we will start giving our paint with the help of sponge to our base. Painting with a sponge gives you a very even and a smooth layer. And for the dot mandala, we really need a smooth surface. So sponge is the best way to paint your base. After painting and it dries, you can use a stencil for proper diagram and alignment of our dots. So we are just creating a diagonal lines here for reference. Now we will take a dot mandala tools and first before you do it on your base, let's practice somewhere. So here I'm just practicing some dots to the perfection. And all different sizes you can try first on your rough paper. Here the bigger tool and then smallest. So now let's get started. The first we will start with the center. Now designing on the sides. You can do the combination and the size of dots of your choice. Here starting with the third round. This is absolutely mind-refreshing art. So here's a final round where we are just giving some plain white dots. Inside we have decorated with the small and a big different dots. This needs a lot of patience, but trust me, the result is very beautiful. So this is how we have created two different beautiful mandalas. Hope you enjoyed the entire process and don't forget to share with us your creativity. So thank you so much for watching.